JIP Mario is one week niya. Special.
Wow! Whoever comes na
Kinasaupan ni birthday na ba yung
ayan na nga, where are you? Kakawads!
Sobra ti Maysa. Tayo kay Maysa kami kat IP Mark special.
Alam mo ito, yan na.
na lang ni Kapiratin. Pero kita yun. Kita ko. Present na ng kagawan.
Please take your seats, please. Go kayo na, katabago kayo. Go kayo, taga kayo. Tabago kayo.
Morning, everybody. Morning. Bibingkas kayo ah. Uray na talangan daw. Ay ko na mawag sila lagi. Don't scare me sir. Just for today. Pakasip ito itong makita kami.
Okay, di magsapat tayo amin, tumaklar tayo, tano kararag tayo. Apo kyaman kami, di dahito yung nagsabat, di mga gundaway, di dahito yung barangay, kahit may apong ni kahit ayaw, itinagan mo. Bendisyon ang apo dahito yung activities ni senior, kanuray pa dahito yung nag-awat, council, yung awat, impligasyon pa dahito yung seniors. Kagyaman kami, italot mo dahito yung tinagan kay Ma, kentianak ken Espiritu Santo. Amen. Amen.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning to the Kagawats, Punong Barangay Secretary and Treasurer. Now let's now have our welcome address by our Punong Barangay Into Proper, Mr. Honorable Raymond Laksamana.
Good morning. Mga siyo tayo ng pipicturan sa shorts ko. Jogging lang kami lang sa ito eh. So, sports tayo. So, this day we have actually 3 activities. First, di barangay day, na isugi papanan ano mga kagawad tayo, naman order kagawad ng day, and kagawad kalan number 1. Di may kadwa, activities tayo, is diyan ay po kalusugan, na ada free check-ups tayo from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, even yung nasa Bukidnon. So, magpagari kami manunod yung damdaman. Na ikatanong, dati PS kupat tayo. Agyaman kami, na PS kupat tayo. Takayo, takadwa, hindi ang tugaw, tatakaldaw. Palakpakan tayo ng okay? So, we are hoping that you will be having a good experience na kayo hindi ang tugaw at hindi barangay wall. And for our aming pulong barangay, ihibig lang naman naman. So, welcome to the club. Okay? Anyway, Ma'am Yola is here, Mama Rose Bispo is here. Alalayan na kayo ng tao. Okay? And for the kagawas, that Ma'am Juan yun, Ma'am Inyari Arminan, the works, and the secretary and treasurer to the barangay. So, alalayan na kayo, hindi nakagawa ng tama. And then later on, they will be going to the barangay day. Na kami na, kami ng and then, sabi kami dito, pakas-day kami. Pag may nakailan ka nga, kita. So, you are very welcome. Lumabad pa rin ko nga, natin escotan ka, 1 week yun. Kasi yung sa alaw, ano, magkanda na kami na, 1 week. Kaya yung nagsumugla, hindi makatumingo. Anyway, naluwakan tayo natin yan, nagugdan din yung panoy. So, at this point, you are so much welcome. Hindi barangay tayo. Umalpas na tayo PPS ko pa. At tuloy na ta, relationship tayo. If you have any suggestions, kung may kayo na nagdoy, you are very welcome. Especially natoy umay na October 25, Second State General Assembly tayo. We are expecting na adati proposed barangay ordinance yun ang mga malpas. So thank you again. Once again, mabuhay kayo, PS Kupat, and sa tulang barangay members of Pinsabra. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. From our punong barangay, Raymond. Adot hindi ko di arami din datata. Iso nga magudwa. Mabati kayo. Tama pa rin hindi na mga kagawans kayo. Punong barangay. Dapat tayo di karaban tayo ng inyong program. So in here you will do your work. Okay? So at this point in time, ang kita na konti ko karon message. Pwede nga kurahin tayo ng speaker niyo. Okay. So, DJ Quatet na niya, di naka-involve tayo mga seniors sa takat, the NCSC. Okay. They have successfully launched the annual celebration of the Elderly Filipino Week across the country, okay, through its regional offices from October 1st until now. So, embracing age and living a life with dignity and purpose. So, uray mapakit tayo, lalakay tayo. At di purpose bigyan tayo kaya. Di ko na designated, we often say that this is a senior citizens month. Due to this timing, which starts in October, also includes the International Day of the Older Persons. Okay? And this is the observance. It is in a long event from October 1st to 7th. Then this is this message for the Senior Citizens Day. We would like to express our gratitude for your wisdom and contributions. We acknowledge your values, your dignities, and we wish you all the happiness and good health that you are still serving our community. Gratitude and respect. Thank you, seniors, because for your lives, your life experience, wisdom, tayo nga lumakay, lumakret. Tayo mga kapagaan, dahil yung moving. But now you have your knowledge and wisdom. Then you are teaching us, you are teaching the younger ones, the future generations, your values and dignities. We acknowledge that seniors are living treasures and that a society values its honors and your future. The health and the happiness. We wish them that they filled with joy, peace, and good health. So, di ko na dito, we wish you good health, joy. Siyempre, naragsak kayo. Pakitayo pa lang naragsak kayo, uli bumang pakitayo. Hangkay na Diyos misuot. Nya, pakitayo pa lang dignities you and values you. And we wish you good health. The wisdom and experience. We are highlighting your role as a source of wisdom and keepers of valuable life lessons. So we appreciate that you are giving the younger ones, the younger generations, a life full of lessons from the experiences that you have had. Isulti-isuli ko kayo dito. Kaya sumasarong ko kanya tayo. Adong pati nagbagatan tayo, adong pati experience tayo, life experiences from everywhere that we have had. We have been working all around, adong pati experience you. And the community and the family, we emphasize the importance as the roots that keeps families strong and as integral part of the community. So we thank you that you are here right now, that you will be doing the work and you will experience what our Puno Barangay and the Kagawans are doing. So that you will not say anything na our Barangay. Now you will see how they have been working, how they have been trying to elevate the standards of our community, the standards that we belong in Pinsao proper Barangay, because this is our barangay. Now hoping and wishing that from this time forth, that everything you've had experience here, then you will be meeting all the people here, all the younger ones, the other senior citizens, and you will be telling them your experiences, so that next year, somebody again will come and see as Kagawans Puno Barangay Secretary Treasurer. And whatever you have experienced, you will be telling them whatever good things that you have done here, we will carry that on. And whatever your proposed resolutions that will become an ordinance, please help our barangay. All the ordinances that we are having here, please help us. Tapno disseminate tayo ang anin. So from here, congratulations to all of you. And I hope we will see again another remarks from our own President of the Senior Citizens, Mr. Johnny Lee.
Thank you, Dr. Secretary. On behalf of the Barangay Official, headed by Puno Barangay Raymond Laksamana, and the ITMR having a couple station para kanya. May sana to din na makulitak na select. So, makikita kami early nga kailan na taga-pin sa proper. So, special kita nila yun sa si Katuliman sa siyay. Wala din ako ito tapos na. Anyway, habang kumurahin pa yung ito, ako Councilor Sambusay, nagtulog niya surat na. Matangam, tinagsabi kita. Pag ituloy tayo kay induction nyo, ako, kaya hindi kapit